5 exercises at home to naturally improve your eyesight. In today's generation, most of the work stuff can be done using computers, from accounting to writing, from inventing to decoding details. All this requires to be done on the computer so it can be accessible or just to protect privacies. Therefore, the eyes of the users were on the screen non-stop, and that sometimes eyeglasses that have UV protection is not enough. As we don't know, eye strain can occur after looking and focusing on something for a long time without a break. And mostly, this is the result of focusing on electronic devices such as computer, video monitor, or cell phone non-stop. It's sometimes called digital eye strain. Other causes include reading and driving, especially at night and in poor weather. Welcome to New Age Life Hacks, and here we are again. We welcome you to another video full of fun, easy and amazing hacks made just for you. Before we get to the fun part, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification to not miss any amazing hack video. Let's get started. For today's video, we're gonna tackle about improving your eyesight in a natural way. Here are the 5 exercises to naturally improve your eyesight at home. Focus change. This is very well known, yet you bet you really don't know how it must be done properly. This exercise works by challenging your focus. It should be done when you are in a seated position. Hold your pointer finger a few inches away from your eye. Do not look at any other object aside from your pointer finger. Just focus on your finger and slowly move your finger away from your face. Next, try holding your focus and look away for a moment. Look away into the distance. After you take a break, go back now and try focusing on your outstretched finger and slowly bring it back toward your eye. Look away again and focus on something in the distance. And there you go. You just have to repeat it 3 times. Near and far focus for far-sightedness and nearsightedness. This is another focus exercise, and also, it should be done from a seated position. Now hold your thumb for about 10 inches away from your face and focus on it for 15 seconds. Moreover, find an object that is roughly 10 to 20 feet away and focus on it for 15 seconds. By this time, you can now see the changes in your eyesight. Now return your focus to your thumb and you have to repeat it 5 times. This exercise should be done from a seated position as well. You have to pick a point on the floor about 10 feet in front of you and focus on it. Trace an imaginary figure 8 with your eyes. Keep tracing for 30 seconds, then switch directions. Living healthy. Eat a balanced and healthy diet rich in antioxidants and vitamin A. Leafy vegetables, carrots, and fish can aid in maintaining eye health. A nutritious diet can help enhance vision and slow down age-related vision loss. Get enough sleep. When you are overtired, your eyes can be more easily strained and feel greedy and dry. Healthy amounts of sleep can decrease tired eyes and therefore improve vision. Exercise regularly. Physical fitness can enhance the circulation of your blood and oxygen flow to your eyes. This can help to decrease dry eyes. 20-20-20 rule. Eye strain is a real problem for a lot of people. Do you know that eye strain occurs when your eyes get tired from intense use, such as reading or working at the computer and long drive? Human eyes are not supposed to be glued on a single thing for an extended period of time. If you work at a computer all day, the 20-20-20 rule may help prevent digital eye strain. To implement this rule, you just need your focus and patience. For every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Get it? Now try this. This will help your eyesight be better. To prevent serious damage, try to avoid abusing your eyes and take breaks from screen time, according to the American Optometric Association or the AOA. If you spend a lot of time looking at a screen along the lines of computers, smartphones, and televisions, there's a tendency for your eyesight to get blurry. Try to take a break and look 20 feet away for every 20 minutes for 20 seconds at a time. This can help you to prevent a digital eye strain, in which this can cause eye fatigue, neck tension, headaches, and decreased eye vision. Eyesight examination. The best way to ensure that your eyes are in the best health possible. Conducting an eyesight examination helps catch potential issues right away. It helps you to know if your exercise and eye vitamins are working on maintaining your eyes and vision health. But if you are now experiencing poor eyesight and headache, I suggest you need medical attention. Nothing beats corrective eyewear such as contact lenses or glasses. It is not going to decrease your natural eyesight, but rather, it is going to cure your refractive error. As doctors explain, prescription eyewear can help you see better. And don't be afraid of glasses and contacts, for they will not change the shape of your eyes. So before you go, listing any questions will keep you on track. What are the things you want to ask the doctor? Also, asking an update on any medicines you take and your eye health history. Bring your glasses and contact lenses along with a prescription to help him see what to check up. For UV protection, bring sunglasses for the trip home. A doctor may use eye drops to open up your pupil for dilation. Therefore, your eyes will be sensitive to light afterward. So better bring your fashion glasses. A healthy diet and excellent enough sleep keep your eyes healthy. Being healthy will not only give you a life full of adventure, but also prevents you from sickness and experience a better mood, improved memory, and most of all, it can keep your body weight adequately. Seize a life happier than you imagine. There you have it, guys. 5 exercises at home to naturally improve your eyesight you need to know. There is nothing more important than taking into consideration one's health, right? Share your thoughts with us in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up. And we will see you in another amazing video.